15 says a bag contains 30 coins, some dimes and some quarters. The total amount of money in the bag is $3.45. How many dimes and how many quarters are in the bag? So normally with word problems, the last sentence tells us what they're looking for and what we need to define our variables to be. So I'm going to let x be the number of dimes, and I'm going to let y be the number of quarters. So we need to make two equations here in order to solve this. So a value equation would be 10 cents times the number of dimes plus 25 cents times the number of quarters, and that's equal to my total value, which is $3.45. And then we also have the number of coins. They tell us that this contains 30 coins. So I don't know how many dimes I have, and I don't know how many quarters I have because that's what they're asking. But I do know that if I add them together, that they have to be equal to 30. So now I can solve this really by any method. I'm going to solve it with the matrix. So then if you do the RREF, this will get you 1, 0, 0, 1, 27, and 3. So your final answer is 27 and 3, although we do need to put a label on it. We need to put our units. So this is 27 dimes and 3 quarters.